You're
Hi,
on.
my name is Steve. I'm the AC repairman. We're going to check this vehicle out because it has an air conditioning problem. It quit blowing cold. The first thing that I do when it comes to checking AC is I hook my machine up to the lines, to the low side and to the high side to check my pressure. See what kind of pressure I'm reading.
Hey Steve, what is the low side?
It normally runs between 40 to 50 on low side. That's let you know it's cooling. On the high side, it normally runs from 2 to 250.
Thanks, sir.
And then the next thing I do is it takes roughly about 15 minutes. I recycle the Freon that's in the system into my machine to let me know how much Freon is in the system.
Now Steve, is there an oil down in there?
Yes, sir, it sure is. With the oil in the compressor to keep everything lubricated, sometimes it has a leak in it. And it will leak the oil and Freon out.
Does that ruin it?
Yes. And normally what happens is when that occurs, it lets the Freon out and the air conditioner don't blow cool no more. So therefore, what I'm going to do is hook everything up, which I already have hooked up here. You can see my gauge is not reading that it isn't low. So it verifies that there is a leak somewhere. And once I do that, the next thing I do is go inside the vehicle, make sure all my panels are working, make sure none of that's disconnected. Everything in there looks good. So the next thing I'm going to do is come back out here, recycle it, takes probably about 15 minutes to do. And then when I do that, I'm going to shoot dye into it to let me know where the leak is in the system.
So the dye will actually seep out and you'll be able to identify it right away?
Yes.
Now, that whole process you say is about, 25 minutes start to figure it out?
About 25 minutes.
Okay. And do you need an appointment down here, Steve?
No, sir. We'll get
Okay.
you right away.
Well, how do we get a hold of you?
985-626-0996.
Thank you, Steve.